This is the sample website that we are going to design using AI. As you can see here, we have this header and we have this nav bars and we have the contact here and we have the context here, 2 buttons here and image here. We are going to use Visual Studio Code to test our codes, and we have the image here as profile.png. So I went ahead and asked ChatGPT. I uploaded the image here like that, and then I gave it this big prompt here. As you can see, create a modern responsive personal profile website template for a digital designer named John Moore. So a large headline, John Moore, a typing effect digital designer, and we have all these ones. A short gray design description text with Nolem Ipsum placeholder. It is just a text design. We have 2 buttons. We have contact me button and browse portfolio. White background with a purple border, and we have a circular profile picture as we explained in the image. Use corners. These are the corners that we have, and I gave it to ChatGPT and it generated this code here. I'm going to paste it here in Visual Studio Code. As you can see here, it is using our profile.jpg. I'm going to change to PNG like that, and then let's view it. As you can see, it have done a great job, but you can tell there are some errors. So I went ahead and told it should be formatted given in the image above. It gave it a thought for 18 seconds and it generated another code, which I'm going to paste it on the Visual Studio Code. In here you can see it have done a great job comparing to the image. As you can see here, it have done a great job, but the problem with this one, as you can see, even the hover effect, the gradient after text, the button on hover, the problem was, as you can see in the font view, it does not generate the close and open in the navbar. So I went ahead and asked it to enable the font view. It generated this text here, which also I'm going to paste it on the Visual Studio Code, and you can see on the font view we have now this navbar displayed well here. It is a modern design which is available on few websites actually, and we have the larger view which looks great, but it should overlap up to somewhere here. So I went ahead and told it to make it full both cover page 90%. So it gave me these 2 lines which I am going to change. So it is just .shell like that, and then just paste it here. As you can see here, the user fill 90% of the viewport. As you can see now, it is have done a great job. Coming to inspect in the font view, you can see now it is good, but when you look on our image, you can see that we have these 2 texts. It is not 1 line like here. So that one I can do. So I'm going to change it. As you can see, this is the image displaying, or this is the code displaying these two here. It is the one which is displaying that. So I'm going to Control Z X it like that, and then I'm going to, but before that I'm I can copy everything, copy and paste it. But for the first one, I'm going to delete the first part like that, and for the second part, I'm going to delete the first part like that. And you can see that it is 2 lines now. You can see also this one is working well like that. Coming to inspect, you can see that it have done the same. So that is it. That is how you can create this portfolio website using just ChatGPT. If you want, I can implement where functionalities where you click on about portfolio and product and contact, also browser profile, where you are going to scroll and see the portfolio in details. So that is it. Till next time, bye.